What's the meaning of analytically? Analytically. 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 Analytically.
Analytically refers to the process of using logical and mathematical methods to examine and understand a concept or problem. It involves breaking down complex ideas into smaller components to gain deeper insights and draw meaningful conclusions. This approach emphasizes rigorous reasoning, formal logic, and a systematic methodology to arrive at solutions or explanations. By using analytical techniques, one can uncover patterns, relationships, and underlying principles that may not be immediately apparent. This enables individuals to make more informed decisions, solve problems more effectively, and develop more accurate models and predictions in various fields, including science, mathematics, and business.